Hi, this is MD Free.
And this is Otherwise.
Check out this video.
The dusk sets and the black sky begins to rise over a small city just north of Las Vegas, Nevada. Professor Wise and his prodigies start packing up their survey equipment for the day. 2 pallets of bricks, several pallets of concrete mix, and a big Joshua tree set next to the entrance of the mobile office. Lagging behind their professor, the prodigies began to notice something in the sky.
What are you looking at? I'm not paying you guys to stand and stare off into space, am I?
It's a spaceship.
A spaceship?
Run! Or we're gonna die!
Die? We're characters in the game. What do you mean, die? This is an alternate universe. Death is an illusion.
Myri, Kelvin, and Dr. Wise watch from behind the pallets of concrete as this shiny flying saucer crashes into the ground, a mere 20 to 30 feet away from annihilating the team. Having an apparently difficult time, a humanoid being clambers out of the ship. The extraterrestrial, seemingly frustrated, kicks the ship. Professor Wise is trying not to laugh as the alien suddenly notices everyone staring at him. With stealth and agility, another humanoid-ish thing, Lady Marjan, pops out of the door and strikes a pose next to Lord Ailey X. She turns to him to say something.
I do believe these are the Generation X, Y, and Z human beings.
Greetings, 21st century human beings of the US of A. Here I am to trade real paper money cash for 25 gold bars. Now I must get windshield wiper and liquid nitrogen. Where are your nearest cow farms? I was aiming for the year 2023. Did I miscalculate? Is there an alteration in the timeline? You, sir. You are Professor Wise, correct?
Yeah, but who?
Thank you for your confirmation. Professor Wise, calculate right now. How much liquid nitrogen I will need to inject into this ring? I shall return in 24 hours. The leftover paper, US dollars will be yours. Yours, and you can fix your timeline, Dr. Wise. Don't say anything to any agents about any flying objects. You know nothing. You saw nothing. This is private property. They can't touch this. Goodbye.
Fix my timeline? Where did y'all come from?
Sir, this university was already built by now in our timeline of then. Do not concern yourself with our origin, 21st century person. You are not authorized for that information. The dollar to gold rate may vary from our then to your now, so I cannot answer until I tap into your Earth signals. Perhaps one of your pupils can solve the volume problem while we go tap into the Earth signals. Our ship must recharge. It cannot calculate.
Lord Ailey NX removes his suit. The suit turns into a unicycle, and facing a dusty path, he rides off into the darkness.
Here is the owner's manual. All the information you need will be visible. You are not authorized to read the whole thing, and many pages will appear blank to you. Box your answer when you are finished, and I will become aware of it through telepathy. Thank you.
Alright, don't forget this. Volume is determined by circumference times height times thickness, the delta radius. Using cylindrical shells, the volume is determined by subtracting the V from the inner side, from the V on the outer side of the cell. You got this.